Oh, guess the bill, guess the bill.
Your footrest, day table, and in-seat monitor stove. Window shade raised, and your seat.
Down in the seat pocket.
Yeah, we're gonna go. We're gonna fly.
Also,
Maple and Gracefield New Year. Happy New Year.
Hi, we are delighted to be with you for this celebration.
Hi everyone! So today, we're actually here in the Philippines. Nag-arrive kami January 1 ng gabi. And then now it's January 3. I wasn't able to vlog kasi kalimutan ko to. Tapos kahapon, lobat naman. Sayang hindi ko na-film kasi first time ma-meet ng anak ko yung family ko. Everyone was so excited. It was really fun. Tara baby, you wanna join them? You can sit here on the chair. Someone's gonna join us. Uy! So, for our trip here in the Philippines, we're gonna be here until 22nd. So, saktong 3 weeks lang talaga. Starting January 7, we're gonna go to Boracay. And then, straight to Siargao, 5 days din. And then, uwi kami. She's gonna have her baptismal. And then, stay na kami sa Manila for 3 days until we leave. So, yun ang plan. Sana ma-vlog ko lahat. So, ayun. Bye muna for now. See you guys later. Bye! Bye! Ganun, isa mata.
I'm your mom.
Mom.
Yes, I'm your mom. You're so cute. What's your favorite song?
Ocean.
Ocean?
Ocean?
Yeah.
Can you sing Ocean?
Hi guys! This is our day 4 in the Philippines. Dito kami nagsistay ngayon sa tita ni Papa. Mamaya we're gonna go to Tagaytay. Yeah, we're gonna go to Tagaytay with my cousins. I know. How many?
9, 10.
9, 10? I'll see you guys later pag nasa Tagaytay na kami. See you! Say bye-bye!
Bye, cow.
Bye, cow!
come to my vlog.
Yes! Hi! Today, we're with Tito Jopper. Yes! Kaya flying kiss to Tito.
What? Ganda na sana, kaso ang dungis eh.
Pilakain ng strawberry.
Hi! Kasama si Janjan? Sige na.
Ganda ba yung video?
Gutom ka, bes. Kalakati agad eh.
Hindi na niya pa yung inaabangan eh.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay,
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Gusto may masarap ay dapat pinupuntahan. Hi, Juan.
Oh, guess the bill, guess the bill.
10K.
10K? Kabe.
Wait lang, kukumpute pa ako.
Ay, mag-compute pa. Accountant talaga to. Kabe. Guess the bill. 9K?
8K lang.
8K? Yeah.
9K.
9?
7.
7? Ha? 12?
9.5.
9.5?
Para hindi pa bukas.
Tigo 9.5.
Ako isa lang.
Ano lang siguro, 9K.
9K?
Ikaw wala na ako, ikaw magbabayad.
Wala ko rin. Ako ata.
Ikaw nga.
Ako nga. Kano?
Ito
lang.
Kano?
10.
10?
10.
Ten. Wow!
Dahil dyan ko magbabayad. Ikaw magbabayad.
2, 3, go. Hindi kayo sabay! Isabay! Hindi kayo sabay! 1, 2, 3, dilat, hara, ya. Hindi pa rin sa stage. Nauna ka. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Dilat, ahon. Yan.
1, 2, 3, go!
Trio, o bangon.